Oh man, you want come back, cause a man fuck you up, man, you want comfort. So many friends switch, laugh for me poor, no me rich.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. Yo, we're here with another reaction for you guys. We're here with Rebel Sixx, Travis World. No trust, no love. You see me? I say, rest up Rebel Sixx. Big up everybody at Trinidad. Big up everybody in the Caribbean. Big up everybody at Jamaican. You see me? I say, big up everybody who watch the channel. Thank you guys for 20,000 subscribers. Thank you guys very much. And guess what? You know that I forgot to take 20 shots. 20 shots there because not really there for though. You don't know, it's a quarantine, COVID time. COVID things still are going to Russia and America right now, yeah, man. January. But we're not talking about that. That's different. Thank you all for the love and support, people. Thank you very much. Comment on this video to see your comment on the next video that I post. And today, I make sure I post 3 videos today because I'm slacking, you know. I'm slacking. I still post 2 videos a day though. I try my best. One day I think I only posted 1. But I'm not going to do... My stop slack. I want to know. Consistency get me to 20,000 subscribers. Where you think I get me to the 100K? Where you think I get me to cover the Caribbean? Consistency. I'm trying to motivate myself and comments on my show. You understand? That's why I'm at that. But anyway, people have Rebel Sixx. Travis World. No trust, no love. You see me, you guys been spamming this one. Who didn't know, you know, some burn man and thing. So... we're gonna run tune. Like up the video. Let's get 300 likes on the video, people. Run up the like one. Tear up the like one. You know, so the fire emoji them. Run up with the fire emoji them. Now run tune. Okay. All done.
Life in a game anymore.
No more. But when you hear the instrumental already. Sorry. I get carried away. Hush. But that's life with a game anymore. I like the instrumental. It sounds like it's going to be a bad piece of song. It sounds like it's going to be a bad piece of song. Go on!
No trust, no love.
Yeah!
No Travis World. Sixx. What?
You ready for this? If you're ready for chat the fire emoji them right now. If you're ready for chat the fire, you know I'm past the video them already, you know. But if you're ready for this in the people, chat the fire emoji them right now. We have to high note with it. No run tune.
Yeah, me tired of games coming to EA.
Yeah.
So much paper left for us to be there.
Dog say I'm tired of games. Because in my EA. Bumbo cleat. And that part of me for going lyrics already. The first 2 words. Go on.
Oh man, you want come back, cause a man fuck you up, man, you want comfort. So many friends switch, laugh for me poor, no me rich.
So the man fuck her Benz in the dog. I know she want forward back, you know, brother. You did me, I say. And them say, so many friends switching a youth. I know joke thing, man talk about themselves in the dog. Because them always switching and then them say, you switching a dog. You did me, I say, go on. Go. If a song I go on already, people, like the video. If I hit song, like the video. Let's do 1 church like someone. I want 500 likes right now. Run tune.
Only John know his secret, so no man can reveal it. No trust, no love.
The chorus start, but the dog say only who know him secret, people. Oh, the man said know him secret. Only John know him secret. So guess what? No man can reveal it, youth. Not even your mother. Nobody know your secret. Only John know your secret, youth. No man can reveal a Bumbuckabell secret. You hear that? Run tune.
Things have changed, girl, me a gold.
Ow.
Me ex tired from my head. Too much friends so low. Too much friends so low.
Him ex tired F with him head. Jano. No trust, no love. Hey. No. It's a hit song this in the dog. I must hit song this because the thing there runs. You drop 1 month ago, dog, and this there is 700,000 views already, dog. But I know that song I drop, I never react to it already. Go on!
All because of the fame, no trust,
no love.
No trust, no love. Sixx, yeah. Friend and enemy play the same role.
Bomber cloth. Because of the fame, so but hold on. Friends and enemies play the same role. You ever say, watch your friends them, what? What I say in a good dog, but something with friends them, dog. Because your closest friends them are your enemies, you know, dog. You didn't know that? I say, go, I remember what I say in the going about. That's something with friends are enemy, dog. Your friend them are your enemy. You have to watch your friends them more than you watch your enemy. Watch your friends them more than you watch your enemy, them, dog. Because them will do the worst here for real. Like, run tune.
Man out the road love the same girl. What? Do a survey.
Why say woman love the same girl? Walla.
Same girl. What? Do a
Walla. Go on now.
friend and enemy play the same role. So much man out the road love the same girl.
Sure.
Do a survey. Check the ratio how much.
Sure. None of them man that have the same girl and I could see him pum pum. Take body girl. And I see him pum pum your friend a saka. I want to. We're not doing that today. People like the video. And watch one of the ads or two of the ads because I'm still in my car. So don't say, yeah, look hustling now and go on. So watch the ads them. Watch the ads. Don't skip them. Watch the full ads them. I'll put one right aside the video. Watch the ad. Run tune.
Friend kill friend, so my lay low. Keep a safe distance from envy. So much people that through envy.
Sure.
Never want my rice blood for enemy.
Sure. Envy no idea. John was time. I get hot. I get hot. Fuck. Get hot. No fire for. Where the board up from your chair? Run tune.
Listen to the message me send. No just no love, just love. Times have changed, girl. Me heart cold now. Sixx. You me.
Now one thing about the song, intimation time. The more thing about the song, people. You understand me? And now more to the follow on Insta. No, I can't do that. I can't do that. More to the follow on Instagram at Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. And last time I follow my Instagram over such I try to reach 10k subscribers on Instagram right now. My Instagram kind of little dog, 2,000 subscribers followers. No, more is 10k over them. I'm gonna follow my Instagram for not follow the reaction boss yet. But the song, one thing about the song, hit song or not? Obviously a hit song this. You see me, I say, Una's family is hard to know that, but you have to drop it to the dance. So I know one thing about song in the comment section, you understand? And the fire emoji, I look for them, you know. No, run tune.
The games coming to eat. So much paper left for us to be there. Only John know me secret. Ex tired, fuck on my head. Too much sex.
Song done, song done, John was star, song done too. We want 10 more verses in that song, dog, so we can sit down and care for the world. They must have a bad reaction to it. You see me, I say? Now, people, I want to say thank you for love and support and the channel. Thank you for 20k subscribers. Over. I don't know how much time I tell you thank you to that, but thanks. Imagine now when the year started, I scream, I cry, 10k. I want to say thank you very much for making the boy accomplish that goal. You understand me? And if you don't think I'm going to forget, but Nelly gang who pranked the reaction boss. Now a different thing coming. And it's just for entertainment purposes only. So don't go after Nelly and calling her names. Okay? I'm out.